Hey, good morning, Julie. That's right. Today is Cinco de Mayo Day, huh? I just wonder how much more beer is drank on a day like this compared to a week ago. You can't count yesterday because there's always the folks that are preparing for today. That's even better sometimes. All right. Is it margarita time? It's margarita time anytime. What do you think's in my coffee cup here? All right, let's take a look at some charts. I've got a list of charts that's popping up here pre-market. Let's look at the SPY first. Thank goodness for Apple. Let's just go to Apple here. Apple earnings reported pretty good, so it appears the market is liking what it's doing. This is, to me, a fantastic chart. We've got a nice little trend here. Prices pulled back a little bit the last few days, and then we've got this bullish engulf yesterday, and then, well, actually that's not true because this is set to real time, so it kind of weirds it out. Well, it depends. I guess it all depends what time you have yours set at. This is set to real time this morning, so this candle looks pretty good here compared to the way it actually closed yesterday. This is including earnings. Now this morning we're opening up at the top end of that candle above the T-line. T-line's above the trend indicator. That's a beautiful looking chart here. Also, we are, 5-6% from breaking out here. And that would be sweet, I think. So go Apple. Apple may have saved the day in the market with the earnings. Let's see. Let's go back to the SPY. Guess we didn't really do that, did we? So SPY is below the trend indicator. For me, I need that. My mouse is acting up again today. I need to get that trend indicator green, or I need to be somewhat patient, not too excited until the market moves up over that trend indicator. That'll give me the 2 thumbs up to jump in with both feet, so that's what I'm looking for. Looks like we have a double bottom here sitting on the 50-period moving average. Price so far this morning is looking really good. The chart that I really love is this one right here, FNGU, and this is just a basket of big tech is what it is, FANG stocks. And there's more than just the basic FANG stocks in this. You can Google it, look it up, and see what it is. But basically, a big basket of tech is what it is here. So here we've got this pop up, and we've just slid sideways. We've done pretty well. Yesterday we held up fairly well, and now today, I like where we're holding today. Now, of course, we need more upside to remain bullish. If we start falling down, that could be a problem, especially if this one starts falling down. So we'll watch that. A couple of charts that I think are looking pretty good. Take a look at FUBO popping up this morning. So it looks like we're going to open up above the 50-period moving average, and this is going to be a rounded bottom breakout. Watch earnings. Make sure, in case going forward I forget anything about earnings, watch that. Nice little downtrend, setting up flat here, constructing a bottom. Now we've got ourselves a rounded bottom breakout. I love that kind of trade right there. GSAT is another one. Take a look at GSAT. Popping up really good this morning. So you guys here in the room, you all know that a trade I've been watching, and my mouse, I don't know what it is. I did this a couple days ago. I swear it's like there's somebody else in there moving it. You know that I love the rounded bottom breakout, which is all about using the 50 and the 200 period moving average. Well, lately I've been really watching and looking at this one, where we're going from the trend indicator to the 50 right here. So that could be one trade. Reevaluate, close it, however you cheat your trades, and then you may have that next trade. Next trade up. Can't keep my mouse down. DKNG, a great big congratulations to any hit run candlestick members that have have been trading DKNG. I know we've talked about it. What a beautiful chart. You know, DKNG, this is one of these charts. Forget about what it's doing today. Forget about what it did yesterday. Just go back and study right through here. Chart pattern. You know, focus on the trend, how the trend is moving up here. I wonder if I did this. I wonder if I grabbed an arrow, it would settle my mouse down. No, not really. You can see that trend right here. See how we went up? That wasn't me. I'm telling you, that wasn't me. Oh my goodness. There, that was me. But you can just see how this thing is working. And just a beautiful, beautiful chart. What is Cinco de Mayo? It's a fun day. Fun day. So anyway, DKNG I think goes higher. Be careful not to chase. Again, congratulations to the hit run candlestick traders in there. Hey, another chart that I want to reach out and say congratulations to is for those that are trading LABU. I think I'm up 29. Maybe I better be sure. Yeah, 29% right now on LABU. Looks like we're going to break out of yesterday's high over that dotted deuce here. This is a rounded bottom breakout. Watch for that 200 period moving average right in here to get tagged at some point, probably not today. But this chart's looking great, and again, congratulations. And remember, you know, we send out those alerts, so if you don't have the app, make sure that you get that app downloaded. It came to my attention yesterday, day before, I don't know, one of those, that there were members, new members that didn't realize you had to download the app. So please, please, please get that app downloaded. If you have questions, let me know. You know, I don't know if anybody's watching any bank stocks today. Check out Schwab here. Schwab is trying to move up a little bit. Nice little hammer yesterday. Now, we're a far cry from anything good here, okay? We're a far cry. But, hey, that's how it starts. So let's just keep an eye on it. Yeah, just keep an eye on it. I'm not going to get interested till the trend indicator turns green. When that turns green, then I'll get interested in it. TLRY. All right? I mean, what could go better with Cinco de Mayo than a little bit of pot, right? Take a look at TLRY here. Nice rounded bottom breakout. Looking really, really, really good. Nice little low, high, higher low, and now it's just taken off here. So this is, for those that are familiar with the rounded bottom breakout, this is a great looking chart. We ought to keep this on our watch list, especially if you like, you know, maybe you trade smaller, you know, smaller price stocks. I think this might just fit the bill, so we'll keep an eye on that. Let me see, is there anything else on the scanner that's popping up? What's CI look like? CI, here's a nice bullish engulf, and we've got this big old, the candle's a Hiromi right now, but the minute the market opens up, you know, it'll look like a gap up from these lows, so it'll look, you know, around 250, 280 here. How about, there we go, there's one. EXPE, look how that's been in a downtrend and moving sideways. So on charts like this, there's a, let's do this, get my arrow, there we go. So here we are moving down, and then we start moving sideways. There's two ways to look at this. One way is we're setting up on some kind of bear flag, and we're just going to run right down. The other way to look at this is we've been in this downtrend, and now we're building a base, and what we're looking for is a breakout. So I think everybody in the world knows that I'm probably more bullish than I am bearish. But what I do is look at both sides of the coin. So as this moves down and moves sideways, while my first look is usually to the upside, looking for that upside, believe me, I pay attention and look at the possibility to the downside. So while we're in here moving sideways, let it move sideways. Just let it do what it wants to do. Build yourself a little construction zone in there like that, and then what we want to do is follow the direction it moves. So break out or break down right in there. Alrighty, that's about all I have here this morning. I'm going to check out and go get another cup of coffee. We'll see everybody here at the bottom of the hour, okay? Thanks everyone for being here. I appreciate it. Good morning and good trading on this Friday. Take care.